Surprisingly Geeky with On Debit and LunarDawn.
Hello.
This is our cat, Lulu. She's super adorable.
She says meow.
She's named after a few different things, technically. When we named her, I was thinking of Lulu from Final Fantasy X, because she looked like a little doll. And Holly was thinking of My Little Pony, so it was like Lulubelle.
Actually, it was Lulu Luck.
Lulu Luck?
Yeah.
And then retroactively, she was named after Lulu from League of Legends when she came out into the game and was awesome.
Totally. Plus, Lulu is fun to say.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Huh. Did I get him?
It worked.
Alright.
And there's the health.
Oh, I got it. The hell. I don't want to do that again.
This looks dangerous. But there's another health pickup. Nanotech. What is it called?
Good boys.
Such a passive item and so awesome.
It's so cute. Little guy scurrying around on the floor. Actually.
Doesn't seem like it. I seem to remember them being one of my favorite items when I played.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're pretty cool.
Oh,
They come
man.
in pretty handy.
Could you imagine like a combination of them and Mr. Zircon? It would be so awesome.
How is Mr. Zircon? Well, I guess these guys have a longer range.
I just mean like if you could have them both at the same time, you know, have like a little army of guys following up behind you and then have your little drone bot with you.
I guess so.
I hate map screens.
Totally, they're so useless. Why have so many of them? Sometimes they like sniffing around. Look. Sniff, 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 sniff. Sniff, 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 sniff. You're so cute. Oh, I think this is the end. Almost the end. Yeah.
You actually don't need the help. It's amazing.
Shut up. I'm not that bad.
No, you're actually way better than I am. Which is why you're playing, and not me. Pilot Summit?
Yep. Did I just see a piece of the floor break away?
So what does the pilot helmet let you do?
It lets me breathe in inhospitable places.
Seems like it would be some sort of a mask.
It is kind of a mask. It's got a visor.
Visor and a mask aren't really the same thing.
When I'm in an environment, there'll be a little oxygen thing over his face.
Hey, turn to your... Look, there's a gold wolf up there.
Yeah, I don't know how to get it.
Well, we don't want to have a bunch of unnecessary death rates, I guess. Maybe that's another rocket jump place.
No, the rocket jump I don't think is actually any higher than this one. Alright,
So that's the end of the level.
I think so. It's late. Well, not
So-
late by our standards, but late enough, I suppose.
So I think that's going to be the end of stream. Thanks to anybody who's watching.
Or tuned in.
Or tuned in.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
So we're surprisingly geeky. Look out for our videos on YouTube eventually. And
As well as more content,
yes.
not just Let's Play.
Yeah. So we're going to be doing reviews and things like that as well. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!